Hey guys, sharing a great low carb meal prep for this week. We are making chicken fajitas and it's on a bed of cauliflower rice. And I used a bag of Mexican cauliflower rice from Trader Joe's, but you can just use a regular bag of plain cauliflower rice if that's all that you can find. The full recipe will be linked below. This is week 2 of my personal 10-pound weight loss challenge. You guys are holding me accountable. I am preparing all my meals in hopes that I can also help you guys reach your fitness goals as well. So hit that follow button for more great low carb ideas.